Good day, everyone. Learn how to create a Microsoft account in HP laptop or any other laptop like Dell, Asus, Lenovo. So it can be created in any of the laptop. So to create the Microsoft account, you just need to open your browser. I'm opening the Microsoft Edge, and here you just need to search Outlook and hit enter. You will find outlook.live.com and open outlook.live.com. Once you do that, a window will appear like this. And here we have sign in and create a free account. So we will click on create a free account. The moment we do that, it will give you a new option. Now we are going to create a Microsoft account and we will use it in our HP or Dell laptop or any other laptop. So here you can mention whatever you can. Mic test 1010. You can choose Outlook or Hotmail and then check the availability of the mail and then click on next. Create the password. Once you click on the accounts, then scroll down and select your accounts. And then it says add a Microsoft account. And it will ask you to enter the email you have created. And then you just need to click on next and you will be able to create a Microsoft account for your HP, Dell, Lenovo, or any other manufacturer laptop. So this is how you can create the Microsoft account in your Windows 11 laptop. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.